here at Tapia Brothers. To check out on their tomato seedlings. It's this place, but I think the parking is. We are going to park. They might have parking inside here.
Let's see. Hopefully.
I haven't been now. Oh, it seems like full.
We can wait. There is. Yay.
Right, instead of walking somewhere else. So this is the place.
Oh my gosh, malikabok lang.
Tapia Brothers Fresh Produce. Going to the Tomatomania. Look at that monkey! Look at the monkey driving the tractor. The tomatoes. Abraham Brown. Ico looks very cute. Look, hybrid. So there are a lot of tomatoes. Some are bigger. Anchovies German green. Oh, you want to try this?
Hybrid. Hi, mommy. Hi, JD.
Anchovies German green looks.
Yeah, I
nice.
think we planted that last season.
Yeah, better boy.
Oh, I'll get the one in the back. Malalaki.
This one is better boy too.
Here, oh,
Better
look.
boy. They're all yeah,
Huh?
yeah. Big rainbow is cute then. Look.
Yeah. Oh,
Brandywine leaf. That one is black brandywine pink. The brandywine pink. Yellow brandywine then.
you want it?
Yeah. This is yellow brandywine. Is the anchovy German green. This is Cherokee carbon. Look at that. Very pretty. Gold medal. Israel. This is Israel. Hi, mommy.
Yeah, let's see.
This is Roma. Only Roma. Roma. This is so Roma. But this, isn't that very pretty? So unique. This is Vorion. Vorlon. There too. This tasty evergreen. Is Thorburns lemon bush. Look at this.
Yeah.
Beef steaks. And do you hear the go to me? There you go. Which one?
Stripes of you.
Oh yeah, this one. Oh my. This one. Go get this, daddy. We're missing orange.
Yeah.
You can get this one too. It's college. It's orange. Ah, beef parush. The creme. And the terminate. Very pretty. Peppers are here. Lots of peppers. It's a Cubanelle.
Which one do you want me to get?
Glow. It's not spicy too. Look, it's only 100 then.
I know.
Sure, it's only
But it's so small.
It's like glow.
Mild.
The sunrise. It's purple jalapeno. Banana pepper. Sweet chocolate. It's Carmen. All the tomatoes that we are getting. A lot of them. And I also got this Tomatomania book.